Districts of Hungary are the second-level divisions of Hungary after counties. They replaced the 175 subregions of Hungary in 2013. There are altogether 174 districts in the 19 counties, and there are 23 districts in Budapest. Districts of the 19 counties are numbered by Arabic numerals and named after the district seat, while districts of Budapest are numbered by Roman numerals and named after the historical towns and neighbourhoods. Baranya County, Bács-Kiskun County, Békés County, Borsod-Abaúj-Zemplen County, Székesfehérvár County, Fejér County, Győr-Moson-Sopron County, Hajdú-Bihar County, Heves County, Jász-Olmütz County, Komárom-Esztergom County, Nógrád County, Pest County, Somogy County, Szabolcs-Szatmár-Bereg County, Tolna County, Vas County, Veszprém County, Zala County. Statistics, not including districts in Budapest. By area, by population, by pop density, by municipalities. See also, regions of Hungary, counties of Hungary, districts of Hungary. From 2013, subregions of Hungary. Until 2013, administrative divisions of the Kingdom of Hungary. Until 1918, counties of the Kingdom of Hungary. Administrative divisions of the Kingdom of Hungary. 1941 to 44. List of cities and towns of Hungary. Nuts. Who?